Today we've got something extra special for you. We'll be taking a deep dive into the incredible 2024 Mercedes-AMG C63 S e-Performance. Get ready to be blown away by this electrifying beauty. Let's kick things off by highlighting the heart of the C63 S e-Performance. Underneath its sleek hood lies a potent 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder engine with an added twist, a 201 horsepower electric motor. This combination generates a staggering 671 horsepower and 752 pounds-feet of torque, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.3 seconds. Also includes AMG SpeedShift MCT9G, 8 AMG Dynamic Select Drive Modes, AMG Ride Control Suspension with Adaptive Damping System, and a 2.5-degree rear axle steering. Absolutely mind-blowing. Moving on to its striking appearance, the 2024 C63 S e-Performance is an absolute head-turner. With its aggressive stance, aerodynamic body lines, and signature AMG Panamericana grille, it exudes pure sportiness and elegance. Inside the cabin, you'll find a perfect blend of sporty elements and luxurious touches, including user experience, MBUX, with voice control multimedia system based on artificial intelligence, with AMG and hybrid-specific functions, optional new generation AMG performance seats, a panoramic sunroof, an AMG-specific radiator grille with vertical struts, an AMG front fascia with jetwing design, available AMG aerodynamic package, premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and an exquisite attention to detail create an immersive driving environment that elevates your experience to new heights. So, how does this electrified powerhouse fare on the road? Well, the C63 S e-Performance comes equipped with the AMG SpeedShift MCT9 speed transmission, which delivers lightning-fast gear changes, allowing for seamless acceleration. In addition, its highly advanced all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction in all conditions, delivering impressive handling and stability. Curious about how it performs on the track? Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The combination of the intense 2.0-liter inline, 4-turbo engine and the electric motor's instant torque makes for an unforgettable driving experience. Blistering acceleration and remarkable cornering capabilities come together, thanks to features like AMG torque control and an adaptive damping suspension system. With the C63S, you'll feel like you're in control of a track-ready beast. Now, let's talk about the market price. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG C63 S starts at around $95,000, ranging to about $115,000 depending on the trim and other packages, making it a premium offering in its class. However, when you consider its jaw-dropping performance and cutting-edge hybrid technology, it's undoubtedly worth every penny. In terms of competition, the C63 S goes head-to-head with other high-performance hybrid sedans like the BMW M5 and the Audi RS7. Each vehicle has its own merits, but the Mercedes-AMG C63 S sets itself apart with its distinctive design and electrifying powertrain. Before we wrap up, let me share a few additional interesting facts about the 2024 C63 S. The 4.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack in this hybrid beast can be charged externally, meaning you can enjoy some all-electric driving, albeit for shorter distances. Furthermore, this performance-oriented hybrid still manages to achieve reasonable fuel efficiency when compared to its pure gasoline-powered counterparts, making it a more eco-conscious choice without sacrificing the driving thrills. You'll get 17 city miles per gallon and 26 highway miles per gallon, a nice improvement from the previous years. With the C63 S, Mercedes-AMG has truly embraced the future of performance. That wraps up our in-depth review of the impressive 2024 Mercedes-AMG C63 S. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car content. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this electrified powerhouse and which car you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.